Hey hustlers, Miles here. Hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I want to discuss why consistency always beats luck. Let's get into it. So welcome back to Hustle Endeavor. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you like this video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I help entrepreneurs build long-term successful income streams online for more money, more freedom, and a better future. And currently on this channel, we're working on building our Etsy stores up. So if you need help with that, please subscribe. So a bit of a different video, but this video was kind of inspired by a conversation I was having with an old friend recently. We hadn't seen each other for a while, and we met up the other day, catching up. And essentially the conversation got on to how lucky I was to be doing well at Etsy. And as the conversation went on, I said there was no reason why this particular person couldn't be doing the same as me. But there was always a reason they gave about why it probably wouldn't work for them. So it got me thinking about luck and how it could be a dangerous attitude to have when you're starting out. So I thought I'd film this quick video for you today on how I believe consistency always beats luck. And that's the main message, I want to put forward to you in this video. If you're just kind of starting out or you're already deep in it, it probably won't be luck that will decide whether you achieve what you want to achieve or not. Now, don't get me wrong. There's some people who, achieve success out of luck. They win the lottery or something like that. But for the majority of us, the average Joes, it's going to be down to consistency and making good choices and putting in the work. There's a really good quote I love, which is goes something along the lines about getting to where you want is about showing up and giving yourself a chance to succeed. And I think a lot of the time when people talk about luck, they're talking about seeing the results or the end point. Like you can look at someone who's in amazing shape, but what we don't see is the hours they put in to the gym, let's say, the foods they eat, and everything else they've done to get there. So when I first started out on Etsy, it took me quite a while to make any progress. I started out with about, I believe it was 5 listings, and I didn't get any sales. And I kept uploading, I kept trying different things. And eventually, after I designed and uploaded around 50 listings, I made my first sale. Now, I've spoken to people, I made that first sale a lot sooner than that. But this is for me personally. But after that first sale, I still had to, keep uploading things, keep testing things, keep doing different things, experimenting until I finally started to get consistent sales. I worked on my store every single day to begin with, doing something to move it, what I believed would move it forward. So, this is why consistency is so important. One of the biggest reasons why I see people not getting the results they want on Etsy is because they're not consistent enough. They might upload, a few products here and there, and then, they give up if they haven't made a sale. Now, in order to get where you want to get to, you need to take steps to get there. Taking one step forward every single day, however small, will get you far more success in life than, luck. And this moves me on to the second point of this video, which is that having this opinion or attitude towards success can actually be really dangerous, I believe. If we left our goals or aspirations to luck or chance, or we have the attitude of, it's going to happen if it's meant to happen, what control does that give us? Gives us absolutely none. Immediately we're putting the control onto, something else. And, I've been that person, okay? Before I learned all about goal setting and business, I used to have the attitude of, what will be, okay? What's meant to happen will happen. And you know what? I ended up in quite a bad situation in life. I wasted years doing things and making bad decisions that, I could have, been spending working towards something else. So if there's one thing, I want you to take from today's short video, is that you are far more capable of achieving success than luck is. And, if I can do it, and you look at all the people on Etsy rank doing it, and I believe that you can do it too. Just stick with it, stick in there, be consistent, and eventually, if you do that long enough, I believe that it will pay off for you. So I hope you like this quick video. If you do want to learn more about, the steps I took to get my store to where it is today, and you'd like a sort of a blueprint or roadmap to help you kind of get there, as I've been mentioning, in a few of my videos recently, I'm really excited to be running a series of live advanced growth workshops. They're going to be really, really awesome. I'm really excited about them. And the goal of these workshops is to help you guys grow something really, really big and substantial. They're going to include everything now I'm doing to grow my Etsy store to new heights. So if you'd like to learn more about that, make sure you put your name on the early bird waiting list, because spots will be limited. Links in the description below this video. So again, if you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment section how you're getting on with your Etsy stores. Keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next one.